In this video, I'll show you how to add drill downs in a Looker Studio report step by step to make your charts more interactive and insightful. Start by selecting the chart you want to enhance, then head to the Properties panel on the right, enable the drill down option, and you'll be prompted to add multiple dimensions. The order matters, so always place broader categories first and more detailed ones later, like country to region to city, or year to month to day. Make sure all dimensions come from the same data source and logically relate to each other, otherwise the drill down experience can feel confusing. Once set, your chart will allow users to explore deeper levels without switching pages. This improves usability while keeping your report clean. Always test your drill flow to ensure it behaves as expected. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.